What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Funnelheads. Today we have a short but important video that we're going to go over, and that is you can now use promotional onboard credit before your cruise. And some people already know this information, but a lot of people don't. And also a lot of people don't know actually how to apply, the onboard credit that they do have. So in a minute, we're going to discuss exactly what you can apply this onboard credit to. And then I'm going to break off on the video and actually show you how to apply this onboard credit. We're going to do like a mock shore excursion purchase. But first, if you're new to the channel or returning and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, becoming part of that Funnelhead family. We would absolutely love to have you. Also, commenting, liking, all of that good stuff really helps the channel out, and I appreciate it. But let's get right into today's video. Okay, so now let's say that you had some onboard credit from either a sale, maybe you had a canceled cruise from, during the pandemic, or let's say maybe you're an investor in Carnival, which is ticker symbol CCL or CUK. Which if you didn't know, if you own 100 shares of Carnival stock, you actually get onboard credit for each and every cruise. Depending on length of cruise, it's $50, $100, or $250. If you want more information about that, I'll put the video in the description box in regards to, investor incentives for Carnival. But let's say you have $600. You had a cruise that was 7 days or longer that got canceled during the pandemic. And cruise credit is just kind of burning a hole in your pocket. You want to make sure that you secure a shore excursion that you really want to go on, but don't really want to come out of pocket before the cruise to spend on. Well, the great news is that on March 15th, Carnival stated that on their website, on all ships, you can apply that onboard credit before your cruise. So now let's go through the list of exactly what you can use this onboard credit for before your cruise. You can use it on spa or salon reservations, gifts and stateroom decorations, internet plans, drink packages, room service or beverages, internet service, dream studio, airport services, shore excursions, pixel photo packages, and faster the fun. Once it gets back to normal, there's no faster the fun still. Now there are a couple of rules or restrictions, I should say. Of course, this is only available on carnival.com. It did start, like I said, March 15th on every ship and all sailings, but you cannot use it on Fly to Fun, any event packages, or cruise cash. Also, you cannot use casino onboard credit. Now, what I'm going to do is break off here and show you a video of exactly how to use this onboard credit. We're going to go through basically like a mock shore excursion booking, show you how to apply it, so that way you can use that onboard credit before your cruise. I'll be right back. Okay, so to apply onboard credit before your cruise, of course, you're going to want to go to carnival.com. Of course, log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Click on the little countdown icon. As you can see, we cruise in 29 days. Very exciting. If it's not the right cruise that you want to book something for, just click this drop-down arrow, select the right cruise, and then you'll come back to this screen, but it'll be under the correct cruise. Today, let's say we're going to do a shore excursion to apply that onboard credit. Let's just pick this all-inclusive one. We're just going to basically mock book it. Go to your cart. Okay, so once you get to this screen, this is basically just confirming your details, also asking if you want to add a gift message or if it's a surprise. We're just going to continue on. You're going to click complete purchase. That'll bring you to this page. You'll have 3 different options. It's going to ask if you want to pay by card, of course, a Carnival gift card, or if you want to apply onboard credit. Now, on this particular cruise, we only have $100 of onboard credit. And of course, the excursion costs a little bit more than that. It's actually $210 for this particular excursion. But you can click apply that $100. and that brings down the total to, you know, the 109. Of course, I'm not going to book this particular excursion, at least not at the moment. I have no idea what this excursion is, but I just wanted to show you guys it's super easy. And of course, like I said, if you have you know, a variety of different payment methods, whether it's onboard credit and gift cards or credit card and onboard credit, you can pay a few different ways. So it gives you lots of options, you know, for your cruise. Now that is how you use your promotional onboard credit, and I've been waiting for Carnival to add this feature for so long, and I know a lot of other people have been as well, so I'm so glad they finally did it. Hopefully this video helped you and informed you. If you have any questions or you want further explanation on how to do this, you know, feel free to comment in the section below. Hopefully I'll see you right back here in the next video or on a cruise ship one day. Catch you later.